Okay, so this is level. The bell's, this heat chamber bell is level, and both that way and this way. And the only reason why I'm doing that is to get this part level and this part level in the oven and this part here level, because it's the old egg test. You crack an egg, it should stay as a circle. Same with on here. You should be able to put a drop of oil in and it stays level, and or even an egg stays level. It doesn't run all over the place. So I'm doing all that now because there's no way to level this later. So there's a 10 mil. There's four screws up there on that. You can't see it here. Up in that chamber. I can't do it while it's running. There's that little ring up in here, and that ring has got a screw here, 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 and here. So I've loosened those all off before, and then now I just tighten this one up to level that way and tighten that one up back over there. So as far as I can see, all of these screws and everything are pretty level. Now the one thing I did notice is that the oven chamber itself isn't level, but I don't know how to get that level and then have this plate up here level, because right now, okay, that one's a little bit out of level, but it's okay. So what I'll have to do is, just when I go do my final fitting, is I'll double check this level here, double check this level here, double check the level in the oven, and make sure that, because that might have to be just slightly adjusted. Again, for bakers or cookers, they don't want the stuff sliding off to one side being uneven. So I'm going to give it a big, test on it. Here's earlier I was talking about this heat exchange chamber. So that's just straight. It's open on this side, on here, like there's a hole on the other side. But in the heat chamber, it's solid. So all this does is heat up, transferring the heat into there to heat the air. Then the actual heat comes up in here, heats the plate, heats these two plates up really hot so that the heat is radiated down. And then this just gives it the box an ambient heat temperature that's fairly even. And then this heat transfers into the upper oven. Oops, the upper oven. So that's my kick at the can at trying to figure all this stuff out here. And I'm going to keep doing some dry fitting and gasket fitting and get back to video once I've got further down the road.